Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Patty. I do fashion and beauty videos. And if you're not new here, I have two new faces here,
Hi.
Marisol and Dani. Say hi to
Hi.
guys. Now today's video, it's going to be a little special. We are in New York for
New York Fashion Week!
And today's video, we're going to be talking about hair trends, what we love, what we saw on the streets, on the runways, and everything we love. Me personally, I love the acrylic hair clips. Those are my absolute favorite. They come in so many colors, and leopard print, which is always my favorite. Now I'm going to ask these two ladies what were their favorites of the street style.
This video is bilingual because Daniela and we speak English, but we are more confident in Spanish. So
Yes. I hope you speak Spanish too.
That's okay, guys. That's
Or
okay.
Spanglish.
All right, Mari, what was your favorite hair trends that you've seen?
actually, for this season, my favorite trend is the haircut
I love her.
style.
I love her hair.
Hemos estado viendo mucho lo que es el corte de cabello. Short hair is very trendy this season, so if you love the short hair, this is your moment. But also we are seeing long hair. So this season is more, or you had short hair or you had the long hair. So my favorite one in this moment is the short season. As you can see, yo me corté el cabello porque me siento como la villana de la novela.
Y le queda lindo, ¿eh?
Thank
Very
you.
nice.
I walked in New York Fashion Week as like a soap opera actress. So that's my favorite trend for this season.
If you guys have been my ride or die since Instagram, you know I did this haircut before and I love it. It's okay if I copy your hair?
Yes.
It's a beautiful
Actually,
trend.
it's a trend. It's a very popular trend right now. So
All right,
Yes, we
guys.
saw it.
All right, guys. And Dani, what was your favorite hair trend?
Well, my English is not perfect, but I'm going to do this bilingual. Les digo que mi inglés no es el perfecto, pero lo haremos en los dos idiomas. I think one of the best trends we saw and we used was the headbands. The headbands is like an awesome trend. We saw it with pearls, we saw it in velvet, we saw them in satin. How do you say?
Satin too, yeah.
Satin too. And it was wonderful. I think it's like a very easy trend to use because you don't need your hair to be perfect. You just put it and you're like a fashion girl. Les comento que los headbands o las diademas fueron una gran tendencia que utilizamos. De hecho, si vieron nuestro Instagram stories, ahí salíamos con las headbands el mismo día.
We
de
were
hecho.
triplets.
and we are not. I think was not planned.
It was not
right
planned.
now. It was not planned.
It was not
Yeah.
We used it the same day. We just came out and everybody had a headband. Lo utilizamos el mismo día. De repente salimos vestidas y dijimos, este es nuestro look, y las tres lo traíamos y lo sacamos por las Instagram stories. Y bueno, creo que es una tendencia súper fácil de usar porque nada más te la pones. Tu cabello no necesita estar ni limpio ni perfecto
It's good
porque
to
es como el protagonista, ¿cierto, Pati?
Good to use when you don't want to do your hair. I do that all the time.
Me too.
It's like the fashion blogger secret.
Yes.
That's it.
Don't tell anybody.
It's like a bad hair day, put a headband.
All right, guys, that was our favorite trends, hair trends from Fashion Week. I'm gonna go ahead and link both of their channels. These two ladies are amazing. If you don't know Dani, she's from Mexico. She's amazing. I'm gonna
Thank
link
you,
her
Pat.
YouTube and her Instagram. And this one over here, if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen her quite a few times doing exactly that, dancing
Or singing now.
or singing.
I'm not professional.
She thinks she is.
Come on, she was taking a shower, se estaba bañando, and we were hearing like la 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 la, ha, ha, ha. She was practicing, estaba practicando.
Honestly, the best part of Fashion Week, besides seeing all the trends, is hanging out with beautiful, beautiful people.
Yes, it was awesome to be with you.
I love you
Thank
guys.
you. I love,
Love
you
you,
too.
love you, and thank you for inviting me to your channel.
No problem. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and link their YouTube channels and their Instagrams down below. Go ahead and give them a follow. They are amazing. And keep following us during New York Fashion Week.
Thank you. Bye.